Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access notifications. Now select App Settings. Click on Most Recent at the top left corner and select the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Lastly, click on the blue sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. You can turn them back on by hitting the same sweater again. If you want to, you can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!